Today, we're going mountain surfing at this adventurous Shiva temple located in Urachikottai, near Bhavani, a road district, Tamil Nadu. As I soar through the skies with my custom-built 5 FPV drone, I find myself amidst the rugged beauty of Urachikottai Vedagiri Malai. This majestic mountain, nestled near Bhavani in Erode district, Tamil Nadu, offers a thrilling adventure. As I climb higher, the topography unfolds before me, a patchwork of rocky outcrops, lush greenery, and winding trails. The sun casts long shadows, emphasizing the contours of the land. Seeing through the FPV goggles is truly mesmerizing. This video can only capture a fraction of the exhilarating experience I'm having. My drone weaves through narrow crevices, capturing the essence of this ancient geological marvel. At its peak stands a Shiva temple, a sanctuary for peace, joy, and blessings. Families and travelers alike seek solace here, surrounded by the grandeur of nature. And then, there it is, the breathtaking view of the Kaveri River. From this vantage point, the river meanders gracefully, reflecting the sun's golden hues. Its waters weave through the landscape, nourishing the fertile plains below. I feel a sense of awe as I witness this natural wonder. Urachikottai Vedagiri Malai isn't just about adventure, it's a place of serenity. Let's ascend this beauty once more, exploring a fresh angle to capture its magnificence. This route is the conventional path that people usually take. This time, we'll also pause to admire the temple from the summit. From this steep angle, the view is strikingly different from the last one. Let's talk a little on this temple's history. The Urachikottai Sri Vedagiriswarar Temple stands majestically atop a mountain called Vedagiri in the village of Urachikottai. It is the first of the 5 hills known as Panchagiri. This sacred hill temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, who is revered here as Vedagiriswarar, and his consort, Ambal, is known as Vedanayaki. History says that Devendran, the king of gods, crawled to this divine hill and worshipped Lord Vedagiriswara, seeking to remove his Brahma dosha, a curse. The hill was once ruled by Shankaralingam, a devoted king who used to visit Srirangam twice a year. When his daughter fell seriously ill, he received a divine message in a dream. Take a look at the elegant Shiva temple. It's a natural beauty. The entire mountain peak is graced by its presence. Resuming history, Aranganathar, Lord Vishnu, appeared and instructed the king to drink water from a spring atop Vedagiri for 9 consecutive days. The miraculous water cured his daughter's ailment, leading to the establishment of the temple. Even today, devotees believe in the healing properties of the spring, known as Nandipali or Podu Khana Sunai. Its water remains cold like that from a refrigerator and can cure various diseases. The temple, believed to be over 1,000 years old, boasts an ancient legacy. Daily pujas are conducted at the Vedagiri Hill Temple. Let's descend through the green slush and wind up our beautiful FPV drone surfing. So, as my drone glides over the rugged terrain, I remember that I'm capturing more than pixels and frames. I'm preserving a slice of Urachikottai's timeless beauty. Enjoy my flight, and may my footage inspire others to explore this hidden gem. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more adventurous content. Let's explore more places together. See you in the next video.